guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make vegan butter and garlic butter. I'm going to start off by gathering my ingredients. I'm going to use coconut oil, soy milk, avocado oil, apple cider vinegar, liquid lecithin, salt, Italian fresh parsley, and garlic. In a blender, I'm going to pour coconut oil, soy milk, avocado oil, apple cider vinegar, liquid lecithin, and salt. Then let it blend in high speed for 2 minutes. For the garlic butter, I'm going to pour 3/4 of a cup and add 1 tablespoon of fresh Italian parsley and 1 teaspoon of garlic. And if you love garlic, you can add as much as you want. With a fork, I'm going to stir it until it's completely combined. In a silicone mold, I'm going to pour the butter, and if you don't have a silicone mold, you can use any container you have on hand. After I'm done pouring it, I'm going to put it in the fridge about 30 to 45 minutes or overnight. After 45 minutes, it should be hard, but I left mine overnight. Before using, I left it outside for 10 minutes in room temperature. And if you don't want to wait that long, just put it 5 seconds in a microwave. After it's been in room temperature, it should have a very spreadable consistency. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and I'll see you guys next time.